You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Brand name pronunciation if you want to learn more confusing. Brand names, including names of cars and car accessories. Make sure to stay tuned. Famous for its oil. It's pronounced as Putoline, not Putoline. I know, it looks like Putoline, maybe. No, Putoline. Putoline. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.